So now let's see how we can work around with high pass filter inside of Audacity. So to work around with high pass filter, I'm going to go to file right here and then import out an audio that I'm going to work with. So I'm going to choose audio right here and select an audio file and open it out. So now if I were to play this, you can hear that there's bass and there's high frequency audio over here. But if you want to work around with a high pass filter only, then I'm going to go around and then select out everything right here by pressing Ctrl A on my keyboard. And now to apply the high pass filter effect, I'm going to go around over here into effect right here. And then I'm going to go around into high pass filter. Once I do that, you can choose the frequency which you want to filter out. So I'm going to go around and select 2000 Hertz right here, which is a high pass. And then you can go around right here and then select out the roll off dB right here. You can preview this out as well. So it's filtering out the 2000 dB right here, so 2000 Hertz right here. So you can select out the Hertz you want to bypass so that the other Hertz are seen right here. So you can go around, select out, and then choose the reduction rate over here as well. Press OK, and then it is applied and only high frequency Hertz are heard. So you can make a mobile ringtone effect or something like this by using this. And that is how you can use the high pass filter inside of Audacity. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.